On the west bank of the Nile River in southern Egypt, facing ancient Nubia, stands a magnificent temple showcasing the rich traditions of pharaonic Egypt. 3000 years ago, the Simbel Temple, built by King Ramesses II and carved out of the sandstone cliff, they were discovered in 1813. Four colossal statues of Ramesses II stand at the entrance of the temple, two on the each side. At the feet are small figures representing his children, wife Nefartari, and mother. The temple is dedicated to the sun gods Amun-Ra, Ra-Horakhti, and Ptah. There are three halls of around 185 feet length in total, and the walls depict the scenes of victories of the king. The inner part of the main Abu Simbel temple has 8 statues of Ramesses II. The right side statues hold the white crown of Upper Egypt, and the opposite side has the double crown of Upper and Lower Egypt. To the north of this main temple is a temple dedicated to goddess Hathor's worship. 10-foot statues of the king and the queen stand at the entrance here. On February 22nd and October 22nd, the first rays of the morning sun penetrate the temple and illuminate the shrine. These temples were at the risk of getting damaged due to the rising level of Nile due to the Aswan Dam, and therefore they were completely disassembled and then reconstructed on higher ground 200 feet above the original place between 1963 and 68, and this is where they stand now. Such is the importance and magnificence of this temple that the history and visit to Egypt is never complete without the visit to Abu Simbel Temple. If you would like to receive more such updates in the field of science, technology, astronomy, ancient history, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.